we're going to explain how to compare dates in SQL. SQL offers several ways to compare dates, depending on your specific needs and the database system you're using, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, etc. The core concepts remain largely the same across different systems, although the specific syntax might vary slightly. Here are some common comparison methods. 1. Using the X operator. This is the simplest way to check if two dates are exactly equal. For example, select from orders where order date 2024-03-08. This query selects all orders where the order date column is equal to March 8, 2024. Remember to use the correct date format specified by your database system. 2. Using comparison operators. SQL provides standard comparison operators like the, and, or to compare dates. Instance, select from orders where order date 2024-01-01 retrieves all orders placed after January 1st, 2024. Similarly, select from products, where expiry date current date finds products that have expired, assuming expiry date stores the product's expiration date and current date is a function returning the current date. 3. Using between operator. The between operator is useful for checking if a date falls within a specific range. The query, select from orders where order date between 2024-2/15 and 2024-02/28 selects orders placed between February 15th and February 28th, 2024 inclusive. Or, using date functions. Many SQL databases provide built-in date functions to facilitate date comparisons. For example, you might use functions like year, month, day to extract parts of a date for comparison. A query like select from employees where year hire date, EO 2023, selects all employees hired in 2023. Similarly, you can use datepart, PostgreSQL, or datepart SQL Server functions for more granular extraction. Handling time. If your date column includes time information, be mindful that comparing dates with the EKID operator requires an exact match, including the time. To compare only the date part, ignoring the time, you often need to use date functions to extract just the date part before comparison, or use appropriate casting conversion depending on your database. For example, you could use date, MySQL, or cast order date as date, PostgreSQL SQL Server, to convert a date time value to a date value for comparison. Remember to always enclose date literals within single quotes and ensure the date format aligns with your database's expectations. Always consult your database system's documentation for specific syntax and available date time functions. These methods provide a flexible and powerful way to query and filter data based on date criteria in your SQL database.